When you are going through a busy life, all what you need is a small weekend getaway. And every time I wish for this. So get rid of our busy life, we decided to go towards Eifel National Park, which is one of the largest national park in Germany. We started our journey from Aachen. We took a train to Düren. Düren is a station which is near to Aachen, or you can take train from Cologne also. So after reaching Düren, you need to take bus from Düren to Martinusstraße, and from Martinusstraße again you need to take another bus towards Heimbach. Heimbach is a place near to Eifel National Park. So right now we are at outside of Düren, Hauptbahnhof. Hauptbahnhof means main station. So we'll go to our next stop. From Düren Bushof you need to take one bus which will take you at Martinusstraße, and from there again you need to take another bus. And this bus finally will go to Heimbach, and from there you need to take one trek to Rursee. And let's go. The scenes that we have seen from bus was amazing. Really, Europe has been gifted by nature. So when we reached Heimbach, we started walking. And after walking for 10 minutes, we reached towards the Eifel National Park. And now I'll show you some scenes that I have captured.